with the champ. Like, it's too easy. It's getting too easy for you, I feel like.
Става все по-лесно и по-лесно за тебе.
Не мисля.
You don't think so?
She disagree with you.
Like, it looked so easy. You gave us zero emotions. Your expression was this and this.
Не показваш абсолютно никаква емоция и изглежда, че е супер лесно.
Вътрешно знаех, че имам по-силно странично от нея. Просто беше въпрос на време да победя.
She knew that the side move is stronger than her, and it is matter of time
Till she gets what she wants.
till she gets what she wants. If it not happen in the beginning, then it's happening.
But 4 rounds is a lot.
It's a lot of.
It's a
I
lot.
prefer one.
1-2 round.
Yes.
Listen, do you have someone in the mind that you think is a challenge for you that you want to pull?
Имаш ли някой предвид,
Yes.
който смяташ, че ще е предизвикателство за теб, с който да играеш в следващ матч?
I think Irina Gladkaya.
Irina Gladkaya?
And she's ex-champion 65. And I think she's next level.
Irina Gladkaya, Dimitrina Petrova. Let's make it happen.
Yeah. Why not?
Congratulations, champ.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.